Hello guys, how to turn off Microsoft verified apps in Windows 11 and Windows 10. And there are two ways to turn off Microsoft verified apps. First through settings, go to Windows settings, apps, advanced app settings, and here choose where to get apps. The Microsoft Store only recommended, change it and choose anywhere. This will turn off Microsoft verified apps only feature in Windows 11 and Windows 10. The second way is through group policy editor. Press Win plus R shortcut key to launch run command box and here type gpedit.msc to open local group policy editor in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Here from the left pane under computer configuration, expand administrative templates, expand Windows components and choose Windows Defender a smart screen. Select it, thereafter go to right side, expand Explorer and choose Configure App Install Control. Apply a double click on it to open. Enabled. Thereafter go to down and turn off app recommendations. Finally click on apply and OK to save the changes from the bottom. That's all.